You need a green and a purple or any other your favorite color yarn. Let's start studio tutorial. Make a slip knot on the hook and start chaining. You can chain as many as you want. The longer the chains, the longer the lavenders. I am doing a chain of 65 for mine. After completing 65 chains, skip 2 stitches and in the third stitch make 5 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, 2 more double crochet. Actually this is the top of the lavender. After completing 5 double crochet, make 2 chains and a slip stitch in the same space. Single crochet in the next stitch and then you are going to be chaining 6 and a single crochet on the top of first single crochet like this. And now a single crochet in the next stitch, 6 chains, a single crochet on the top of the first single crochet, one more single crochet in the next stitch. Now all you have to do is to repeat the petal pattern all the way down. It's so simple. After completing your work with purple, cut off the yarn and make a double knot with green yarn. Make a single crochet at the end of the lavender's petals. Now make 10 chains with the green yarn. Now we are going to work down. Skip one stitch and make a slip stitch in the second stitch. 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, 3 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, slip stitch. For the second leaf, make 11 chains. And follow the same pattern. Slip stitch in the second stitch, 2 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, And this is how the leaves look like. I am making 7 petals for my lavender. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now end up your work, but don't cut off the yarn. And secure the starting yarn with the help of a needle or a crochet. Now take a floral stick and apply glue and fold the top of the lavender like this. And start twisting the lavender on the floral stick. Hope you people enjoyed the tutorial. If you end up making one, don't forget to tag me on Insta and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And this is the final look of the lavender, how it's look like.